Hi friends, welcome back to our Chennai Tech YouTube channel. Thanks for supporting my previous video and subscribing my channel. Today I'm going to review about the product which I bought from Decathlon, and this is a raincoat and a rain pant from the brand Quechua, and I'm giving the review after using it since 1 year, and this is one of the best products which I've used in the last few years. These two products can be bought for 1200, and you can buy individually the raincoat and the rain pant. Raincoat comes around 499 and the rain pant comes around 699. These two products are available in their websites, Decathlon websites, and the link has been given in the below. Please check it. And this can be available on the retail stores of Decathlon, which are located on all over India. This raincoat comes in two colors, one in the blue and one in the black. This raincoat is made of polyester fabrics, and this doesn't allow water, and it doesn't absorb the water also. And this comes with a fixed hood, and it can be adjusted with ropes. And this has a half zip type, and it should be weared on the overhead. This raincoat has a sleeve edge, elastic sleeve edges, which prevents water entering your hands. And this comes with an adjustable waist rope. With this knob you can adjust according to your waist. As I said, this is made up of polyester fabrics. It doesn't allow water. I'll show the demo how it responds to the rainwater. See, here it doesn't absorb the water and just roll out the water. We couldn't find any water droplets inside the raincoat. It has a pocket on the right side, and this can also be used to fold the raincoats into a small package. I'll show the demo how to fold the packets. And this is very easy to pack and easy to carry. Even you can carry out on your pant pocket also. Now we will see about the pant, and this pant is made up of the same polyester fabric material. This is also lightweight and easy to wear. This comes in two colors, one in navy blue and one in black color. This rain pant has a elastic waist and a rope to adjust your according to your waist. At the bottom you have zips so that it can be removed without removing your shoes, and it has a elastic at the bottom so that it prevents water entering your legs, and it doesn't have any pockets. These two products comes with a warranty of 2 years, and it is valuable for the money. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe it and click the bell icon. Thank you.